the brand of Kids Post.
Under the golden sun of the savannah, Quito the tortoise walked peacefully, until, whoosh! Zola the crane swooped from the sky in a burst of purple energy, startling him with a playful grin. "Race you to the great baobab," she shouted, and off she flew like lightning. Quito pushed forward with all his strength, slow but determined. But suddenly, disaster. Zola plunged into a hidden tar pit, trapped and terrified. Just when hope seemed lost, Quito arrived. With courage in his heart, he pulled with all his might and freed his friend. Covered in tar but filled with joy, Zola hugged Quito tightly. From that day on, they learned that true friendship isn't about speed or strength. It's about never giving up on each other.